How to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to ebay.com and register or log in with your existing eBay account. And on the homepage of eBay, kindly click the blue button that says Create Listing and select Single Listing, in which upon doing so, it will lead you in here. And from here, all you need to do is to paste the title or description of your selling item. So for example, we're selling a shoes like this, in which from here, you will see the preview picture of the product or the items that you're going to sell. So let's say we're going to sell this, so I'm just gonna click and save this image, and also these shoes that have a different color. And after saving the picture or the preview, all we need to do is to copy the title or the details of this product. And as you can see on the right side, you can find the title, which is Men Athletic Shoes Leopard Boy Sport Sneakers. And all we need to do is to select this and copy it. And after copying the text, the next thing that we need to do is to paste the text in here and proceed by clicking the blue button. And you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the match or the result searches of your item. You can also add details to sharpen the results, which is located on the left side panel. Or you can simply choose either of the results. So I'm gonna choose the first one that showed up. And from here, just select the condition of your item. I'm gonna choose New with Box. And proceed by clicking Continue to Listing. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which from here, all you need to do is to complete your listing by providing some details such as photo and video and other details about the product that you are selling, in which some of them are required to fill out, while some of them are just optional. Now, if we go back to the very top of this page, the first thing that we need to do is to add a photo or videos of our items that we're selling. So kindly click Upload Photos, in which we can import the media files from our computer. And after uploading the photo, it will automatically show up in here. And we have now the main photo. And aside from that, we can also customize the title of our items that we're selling, including the item category, item specifics, and other additional details. And as you can see here, under the additional information or details, it shows here that it is only an optional. So that means it is okay to not fill out all of this information under the additional category. However, under the description category, you are required to fill out or enter the description of your product or items that you're selling. In addition, you're also required to fill out this pricing category. You can choose the different kind of format, which is auction or buy it now, which is dependent on your pricing strategy or pricing method that you prefer. While below the pricing category, you will see the shipping category, in which all you need to do is to select your shipping method. While under the preferences is your payment that is managed by eBay. And after that, in order to add a multiple listing in one item, all we need to do is to click the three dots on the top right corner, in which it will show you the two options such as settings and variations, in which the next thing that you need to do is to turn on the variations. And after that, if you scroll down again, from this page, you will see the variation category under the additional category. And on variations category, just click Edit and proceed by clicking the blue button that says Continue. In which upon doing so, you will be directed in here, in which you can create your own variations or select an attribute and then select options for the products you sell. And as you can see here, there is no color as variation attribute. And in order to add one, just click Add Your Own Attribute, which is by clicking this box, and enter the variation or attribute you want to add. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Save button. And now that you have your own attribute, the next thing that we need to do is to create your own option. I'm gonna enter blue. And for other option, I'm gonna enter green. And after that, you will have now your two options of green and blue color under your own attribute. And we can now save this by clicking the blue button that says Continue. And after that, we can now go back in here, in which from here, In order to add the multiple items or listing, all we need to do is to click the option under the Add Variation Photos and select the attribute variation. And from here, as you can see, under the blue color, there's no picture attached to it. So kindly click Add Photos and add a picture of shoes, which is the color of blue. After importing the photos, it will show up in here, in which you can customize the price, quantity, SKU, or even delete this option or listing. And in order to add the price, all we need to do is to select the price section and enter the amount or prices of this item with this color. While on the quantity, you can also customize it depending on how much item you have or on hand. And aside from that, you can also customize or enter your SKU or your stock keeping unit. So I'm gonna enter 123 blue SH. Well, this UPC section is only optional, so you're not required to fill out this section. And now that we are done on completing or filling out all of this information under this item, we can now proceed by adding the new option. And to do that, just click Edit on Attributes and Options you've selected, and you will be directed in here. So just select the new option, which is the green color. And after selecting the other options, all we need to do is to click Update Variations. And you will now going back in here. And from here, just scroll down until you find the options of color. And kindly select the new option. In which from here, just do the same process, which is adding a photos or importing media files from your computer. And after that, you will now have the preview picture of your green color. Well, for the next step is to fill out all of this information, such as to enter the price, quantity, and SKU. And to do that, just check this box on the option and click Enter Price. And from this price bar, all you need to do is to enter the amount of price or cost of these green color items. Well, on the quantity, you may enter the number of items that you have on hand of this specific item and proceed by clicking Save. While under the SKU or the stock keeping unit, just follow the format of the first option. So I'm gonna enter 123 green SH and proceed by clicking the blue button that says Save. While under the UPC section, it is only optional, so that means you are not fully required to fill out this section. And after successfully adding the two options, we have now created a multiple items under one listing of this item, in which it is a great idea of marketing strategy to give the customer or buyer the different variations to choose of the specific product that you are selling. And now, if you are now done editing or customizing some of the information or details of this listing, you can now proceed by clicking Save and Close or Save and Preview. So that is just how to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. Thank you.